Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix uplayer underscore r1 underscore loader64 d2 missing or not on found fix, and how we can fix this particular error that is happening for many users when they're trying to play the games. And let me directly get into a step. First one is all about, we just need to go over here in the search for Windows security and click on this one. And right now, once you get into the Windows security, you have to navigate to the protection history, and from here you have to select the file that you wanted to add. For example, as you can see, this particular file, if I expand this, I have to check whether I'm getting this option or not. So similarly, I'll be having many files over here, so I have to check whether I'm having the allowed device. So this is, for example, imagine this is, you have to try doing this for everyone. You have to click on the arrow key over here like this. Then you will be getting an option, just go for yes. Then you have to check whether you are having the uplayer underscore r1 underscore loader64 d2 missing here. You might be finding the folder named here. If you find the folder name, if you don't find here, you have to do the same for every file over here. And if you find the folder over here, just click on the action. Now go for allow on device. Then go for yes. So that you have given the permission. I mean, it is completely restored from here, and the file is restored and you're fine with it. That is what you have to try. Next one is all about, you just need to go over here and click on the virus and threat protection. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to the manage settings. Now from here you have to scroll down. There is an option called exclusion. Just click on add or remove exclusion. Go for yes. And we need to add the game file which you are having the trouble. The reason why I'm adding here is because in the future, even though you give the allow access in the protection history, you might be keep on having the issue down the road. So it is quite important that it should not be happening again and again. So we need to add the game. So just click on the add an exclusion. So suppose you imagine I'm having the trouble with rematch. If that is the case, just click on add an exclusion, go to the folder. Now from here, I have to go to this PC, go to the installation directory. So in my case, it is D, Steam library, Steam apps, common. Now I have to go to rematch, then I'll select or just go back, select the rematch and go to select folder. And right now the rematch is added. So I'll not be having the trouble down the road. So this is what you have to do as the first set of step. If that is still, if it's not working, then we just need to go over here on this particular link, which I'll be providing in the video description. So this is a site for uplayer r underscore r1 underscore load64.d2 error that is happening for many users. So you have to go to this particular site, and you can see that is uplay underscore r1 underscore loader64.d2. So you just need to click on this one. So this is what we need to download it. Then just go for start download. So this will be downloaded, as you can see. Now after successfully downloading, so you have to go to this particular folder, copy this one, and we have to paste it here in the desktop, right? Just get into this particular folder, and this is, you have to copy this particular file, then go to this PC. I'm having the trouble with rematch game, so I have to get into rematch folder. Just go to local disk D, Steam library, Steam apps, common, go to rematch, not this one, this is the sample rematch. Then I have to paste it here. After I paste it, I'll not be having the trouble down the road when I try to play this game, and this is what you have to do.